Hello everybody, my name is Michel Paquin. Hope you feel good today. Just a quick video today to talk to you about something because I'm reading a book right now. I read a lot, but this one is very interesting. It's Contagious from Jonah Berger. He's a marketing professor in University of Pennsylvania. And the title, Contagious, Why Things Catch On. What makes stuff viral? It's very interesting. It's not just luck. Okay, one of the things he's talking in there is social currency. So it's what when you make a post, build it in a way that people will be proud to share it. So when they share it, their social currency will go high. I mean, it's very hard to explain it without reading the text, but it's very feasible. Okay, you build something that if I share it, I will look good. Okay, in front of all the other to I share it. It's like when you go to a good restaurant and without asking, you say to other, "Hey, you should go to that restaurant. It's amazing." You will look good doing so. You will look intelligent. You will look like you know more, and you have a better life. So you'll look with a better. You will have a better social currency. So it's the same thing with internet, with Facebook or LinkedIn post or Twitter post. If you want to be shareable, make short posts and make them that if I share it, I gain social currency. So I'll be proud to share it, to show it to the other that, hey, it's me who share you that information. It's very simple. Maybe it's still confused for you. For me, it's very clear, but it's hard to explain it. That's why I do it today, because I have to practice for the masterclass. And just in the comment, I will put the link on Amazon for that. If you have time, I think it can be very interesting for you. So have a good day, and until next time, smile because it's contagious for everybody around you.